Let's cancel that subscription without pulling your hair out. Let's dive in. The first step is signing up for Shopify. In the description of this video, you'll find a special sign-up link that will enable you to extend your trial for an additional 3 months. So make sure you use that link to save some money. Yes, I know it feels like texting your ex one last time, but trust me, it's necessary. Now, head over to Settings. You'll find it chilling at the bottom left corner of your admin panel. It's like that one quiet kid at the party, always there, never causing trouble. Click on Plan. Think of it like reviewing that gym membership you never use, except this time, you're actually going to cancel it. Scroll down like you're endlessly scrolling through TikTok and find Deactivate Store. Click it. Yep, that's the It's Not You, It's Me button. Shopify will now hit you with a but WHYYYY question. Just pick your reason and click Continue. Stay strong. We're almost there. For security reasons, you'll need to enter your password. Basically, proving it's really you and not your dog accidentally shutting down your empire. Click on Deactivate Store one last time. Boom, you're free. Party Popper, you'll get an email confirming that your Shopify adventure is officially over. No more surprise bills. Quick heads up, Shopify keeps your data cozy and safe for 2 years, just in case you have second thoughts and want to reignite the flame. If this helped, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, peace out, Shopify Dropout.